In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write with Squarespace AI. To get started, log in to your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is where you manage your site content and make updates. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for your site preview so you can move into the editor and begin working on the page where you want to add or improve text. Next, click Edit in the top left corner of the site preview. This opens the page editor and lets you make changes directly on the page. If you already have a section of text you want to improve, click into that existing text box. If you are starting fresh, add a new text block by clicking Add Block and then choosing the text option. This gives you a place to use the AI writing tool. After that, look at the text formatting toolbar and click the Squarespace AI icon. This usually appears as a lightning bolt or sparkles symbol. Selecting this icon opens the AI writing panel, where you can tell Squarespace what kind of content you want it to create for you. In the entry field, type a prompt that clearly describes what you want to generate. Be specific so the result matches your goal. For example, you can describe the topic, the style, or the purpose of the text. Clear prompts usually lead to better results, so take a moment to phrase your request in a simple and direct way. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Squarespace AI will create an initial version of the text based on what you entered. At this point, read through the draft carefully to make sure it fits your page and sounds right for your audience. If you want to improve the result, use the options inside the AI menu to refine the copy. You can click Simplify to make the text easier to read, lengthen if you need more detail, or change tone to better match the voice of your brand or page. These tools are helpful when the first draft is close, but needs a small adjustment. When you are happy with the result, click Apply to insert the text directly into your layout. This places the AI-generated content into your text area, so you can continue editing if needed. Finally, click Save in the top left corner of the screen. This makes sure your changes are stored properly. That covers everything you need to know.